When you're a leader, especially a new leader to salsa, simply changing your hands just from this to this is a gigantic task. I remember my first time someone taught me how to change hands, and he taught me how to do a crossbody lead and change the handshake, and that was like blew my mind. I remember. This whole video is basically on that genesis of changing hands. So I'm going to teach you how to change hands in a very natural, beautiful way. So let's get right into it. And welcome back to SBK LOCO, by the way. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a hand toss. Switch and hold. 1, 2, 3, just like that, okay? A tip when you're doing this, it doesn't matter if you do this on 1 or if you do it on 5, for example, it doesn't really matter. You can do it on either one. However, when I teach this in my class, I often see leaders doing like this, like not enough motion. So you want to sort of help the follower flow and da. And another thing I like to do is I like to look at the hand. And we're gonna start with the right hand first. Keep it simple. 5, 6, 7. I always like to prepare on 7. It just helps the follower, give her more time. 1, 2, change, and 5, 6, 7. Now leaders, this one is the tricky part, okay? I'm making it look easy because I've done this so many times. But however, when I teach this, I often see the leader is scrambling his hands. So I want you to take care of one hand at a time. So for example, 1, change, and catch, okay? Watch that. 1, change, catch. Not 1, change, back and forth, okay? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's have you come on this side. Now we can go with the other hand. Same thing on 7, bringing it up, and 1, 2, 3. From here, you can do many things. You can turn her. You can turn yourself. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Now, when you're practicing at home, I really think what you should do is just stand without stepping first. Get used to this feeling. Doing one hand at a time. Da, da, da. Now, let's take it up a notch. We go to the next level. So level 2. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, fancy, huh? Basic again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is another thing I'm going to mention because I've seen every mistake possible. So it's good for you guys. Sometime when the leader is doing this, he just kind of pushing the hand straight like this. It's not good. You want to make a wheel. A wheel. It's more beautiful. So for example, 7, as you can see, I'm a little bit off her line. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm not just doing this. Tas, tas. 7, 1, 2, 3. Now here you can also do this. 1, 2, 3, and she can do some beautiful styling.
So followers, when the leader is holding your hand like this and then he tosses your hands, you're just gonna make a circle like this to the air, and then you can casually caress your hair, then you go out.
So another thing to mention, followers, when you get your hand tossed, you want to make sure that you come back with a little bit of pressure because usually some kind of lead is coming after that. If you come back with your hands like floating with nothing, then we cannot really lead you. Because it often happens where the leader is going like this and then he will turn you like that. Ooh, good turn on this sand.
Thank you.
So for example, like this. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, catch and turn the lady. So you want to have some kind of pressure there. Now we're gonna go into a little bit more kind of fun way of changing your hands. So let's have you come on back on this side. We're going into a basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I can just bring this hand up and do a little bit of a chaser down my chest like this. Now in social dancing, when the leader is dropping your hands and asking, it's usually gonna be a nice slide down like that, okay? It's kind of a rule of social dancing. So for example, I can put her hand here and then sliding down, catching. 2, 3, it's a very beautiful, casual way to change into handshake position. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. I can ask on the bottom, leaders. I can ask on the top. If I ask on the bottom, I can do something like this and go in for a little bit of a loop over the head. If I ask on the top, I can just go for a normal Titanic, for example. Ba, 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 and turn from there. No problem. So you have many options. 5, 6, 7. Being dramatic, I'm going to open this hand up. 1, 2, 3, and change. 5, 6, 7. From here, what can I do? Many things. I can just do a normal turn, ta-ka-ta-ka-ta, or I could really do an outside turn and change hands like this. So being able to switch your hands like casually like this really opens up a lot of doors for you. Because when you're stuck like here and she's watching you and you're just change hands like this, it's not really cool, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Many things you can do. The options are endless in salsa and in social dancing. Boom, 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 paka, paka, pa. Okay, let's go one more way. My favorite way to change hands. I'm just gonna go in for a normal turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and ask. 1, 2, 3, really beautiful. I'll show you what you can do with that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I can grab the wrist, open break. 1, 2, send behind. 5, 6, 7. 1, take her for a walk into the ocean. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I think yours was good, but mine not very nice. Let's try one more time. Dancing on the sand. How do you guys like this beautiful beach scene? Amazing, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching the channel. Please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of this video. And thank you to Lead, amazing follower, and coming out here really late at night for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.